Welcome to Tangerine Insights Cafe. Today's topic, fixed mindset versus growth mindset. One particular topic which is coming to my head is what is the right mindset to grow in these times? And that brings me to the topic of today, the difference between fixed mindset versus growth mindset. So let's talk about it. But before talking about growth mindset and fixed mindset, I think the most important thing which I need to talk about is what is a mindset. I was trying to go through some researches and I found out this definition of Stanford University on mindset. Mindset is being called as a very simple idea that has a profound effect on a person's life. Mindset is the view that you adopt for yourself that determines the way you live your life, see the world, and make decisions. So that's one set of definition. But I wanted to go out and look at another set of definition. And another definition of mindset is essentially our particular perspective or the way we view the world. In short, is the way our perceptions or our beliefs about our abilities and qualities shape the way we operate. Your mindset is not a small thing. It's largely responsible for what shapes your reality. Now that we have a firm grasp on the basics of mindset, we can start to break down the difference between growth mindset and fixed mindset. Most of how you think about yourself in regard to your own personality, your drive, your setbacks and goals grows directly out of your mindset, correct? So it's common for people with a fixed mindset to believe that their general qualities are fixed traits that can't be changed. This may lead to you not working to improve your intelligence, your skills, your smartness quotient because you don't believe this level can grow or change with time and experience. Now, if I have a fixed mindset or you have a fixed mindset, it's very easy to get caught in a web of proving oneself and others that whatever fixed level of talent or skill I might have, it's enough. Otherwise, you or I are stuck with an inadequate amount of whatever it is that you are not going to be able to improve. According to me, if a fixed mindset is left unchecked or unmonitored long enough, it can eventually lead to failure mindset. Having too much of a perfectionist mindset perhaps is also a fixed mindset. The moment you're telling yourself that you're perfect at this job, you're also actually telling your mind that I don't need to improve in this particular task anymore because I am perfect. Now, is that a right mindset to have? Having said that, let's talk about growth mindset now. If we have now this perspective, we tend to see our levels of intelligence, skill, talent, and success as a starting basic point or as a basic starting level, but with a capacity to grow. Perhaps that can be a wonderful way of looking at life right now. You believe that there's a numerous stepping stones towards development and improvement. If we have a growth mindset right now, then we believe that everybody around us also can grow and change through application, exercise, and a lot of hard work. Learning to have a growth mindset can help create significant motivation and productivity in times which are challenging, in moments which are uncertain, and in any kind of business, and also can be applicable in relationships and beyond. A fixed mindset will always lead us to avoid challenges. On the flip side, if we have growth mindset, we can thrive on challenges. We will learn to stretch ourselves, seek improvement, and grow personally. Talking about fixed mindset again, if we have a fixed mindset, then we'll be very tempted to let ourselves define by just one success or one setback forever. Now, is that correct? A bad grade, a failure at work, a breakup, you'll always feel like these are definitive in your life. However, if you have a growth mindset, you will take those challenges, those failures, those setbacks and turn them into success, learning more from failure and bouncing back better than ever. And that's what we need at this testing times.